So you're gonna apply this in circular motions and start working it up towards your temples. I really like this brush because it just diffuses that powder and it leaves no harsh lines. Do you see that? I'm gonna bring it up to my forehead a little bit. And I don't wipe this off until I'm done with my whole face. Just so that I have an outline of where to apply my contour. And I like to blend that blush that I just applied with the powder I used to contour my cheeks with, so that there's no harsh line and it just all blends in together smoothly. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side, to the other cheek. Then I like to go and take the AOA Studio E137 brush. That's why I also didn't brush this off or wipe this off, so I can tell and I can see where I'm gonna be applying that contour. And then I like to drag it up towards my eyebrows so that there's no harsh line. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then I like going up the tip of my nose, and this just makes it look longer. It makes it look longer and pointier. So I'm giving myself a nose job. Okay, and then I also like to, I feel like I have a wide nose, so to make that look smaller, I go with the same powder on my nostrils. I also just take that and bring it up. There's no product on this, whatever is left over is what I'm using, and I'm just gonna go like that lightly. Okay, if you know, you know. If you don't know, then you don't know. I think this is 1,000% worth your money. Okay, go get it. If you don't have it, you won't regret it.
Just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me a sign. Just give me the green light.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me a sign. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me the green light.
We're gonna take this Sephora, and then I'm gonna be taking my Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray, and I'm gonna wet the brush using the spray.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
AOA E136 brush once again. I'm gonna take Antique Bronze, and I'm gonna blend that color in with this Vermeer color.
What to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me the green light.
And now we're gonna do our lower lash. For your lower lash, what you want to do is repeat the same steps that you did on your upper lid, on your lower lid, or lower lash line, I should say. So we're gonna take burnt orange, and we're gonna blend that on our lower lash line. Now we're taking red ochre, a little bit. And last, I'm gonna take antique bronze. I'm taking antique bronze, but I'm not doing my whole lash line. I'm doing just the outer corner so that it blends with the top. To line my waterline with, and it's this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyelids with the AOA Studio Starlit Liquid Liner. It is in the color Superstar. Apply mascara, and I'm using the Scandal Eyes Wow Mascara by Rimmel London. I really like this mascara. It's obviously black. Look at that difference. How crazy is that? We're going to be doing our eyebrows, which is, like I said, the last thing I always do, just because and I'm just brushing them out. I usually use a spoolie, but I can't find it, so this will have to do. We're going to be using our ABH Cosmetics Pro Studio Ultimate Brow Palette, and can you guys guess which color I use the most? Yeah, gold brush. This CoverGirl Professional Natural Lash gel, and I just run it through my eyebrows to set all the little hairs in place. So the last thing we're gonna do here is our lipstick. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner, and this is in the color Gone Burgundy. We are going to use the Milani Natural Chick lipstick, and it's a beautiful color. It almost literally matches, not really, but that's what the lipstick looks like. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So I'm gonna be taking this. It's actually an eyeshadow by e.l.f. It's a baked eyeshadow, and it's in the color Enchanted. I use this as a highlighter all the time. Just look at this thing. How cute is that? Before I apply it on my face, I like to wet my face first with setting spray, okay? And while your face is still wet, we're gonna go in and highlight it. And we are finished. What do you guys think? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.